English teacher.
Hi, friends! Today, we're going to practice some English using a technique called shadowing.
Hello?
Hello, I am Loki of Asgard, and I am burdened with glorious purpose.
I know who you are. Why are you calling me?
To talk, and because I missed hearing your voice.
I am on vacation.
I can see. Beach Thor is very strange.
You are jealous.
I do not know that feeling.
How are you calling me from prison?
I asked the guards for your notebook to watch Netflix movies. And the password? Face recognition. Easy face. Did you know you are my favorite brother?
What?
Thor, I need your card password.
Wait, why?
Some online purchases need email confirmation. Very boring rules.
What kind of purchase?
A green Ferrari, for example.
A Ferrari? Why do you need a Ferrari?
For when I go to Earth, style matters. You are in prison. Temporary situation.
I see strange charges on my card.
Strange? How?
Food delivery to the prison of Asgard. Was it you?
No. Loki, let me check. Hamburgers. Was it you? Maybe. Emergency. Promotion day. Buy more, pay less. You used my card for hamburgers. I saved money. Very responsible. Think about the Ferrari. Also, my birthday is next week. No, it is not your birthday. Fine, then just think about the Ferrari. Actually, tomorrow is my birthday. Of course, that is why I called. Happy birthday. It is tomorrow, and you did not call because of that. Give me the password so I can buy you a very nice gift. No. Wow, so ungrateful. And I tried to be kind.
No. Goodbye, Loki.
Bye, beach god. Now you will talk to my brother Thor like you are me.
Hello? I know who you are. Why are you calling me? I am on vacation. You are jealous. How are you calling me from prison?
And the password?
What? Wait, why? What kind of purchase?
A Ferrari? Why do you need a Ferrari? You are in prison.
I see strange charges on my card. Food delivery to the prison of Asgard. Was it you?
Loki, was it you? You used my card for hamburgers. No, it is not your birthday. Actually, tomorrow is my birthday. It is tomorrow, and you did not call because of that. No.
No. Goodbye, Loki.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time, my friends. Bye!